Hey folks, today let's talk about the high-stakes scenario of what happens if the President of the United States defies an order from a federal judge. First off, such a move would ignite a constitutional crisis. You see, the U.S. operates under the principle of the judiciary interprets the laws and issues rulings that are meant to be binding. When a president refuses to comply, it challenges the very foundation of our government. So, who enforces these orders? Normally, the president oversees law enforcement agencies like the DOJ and U.S. Marshals. But if the president is the one defying the order, things get messy. This is where Congress and the Senate come in. They have oversight powers and could respond by issuing or passing a bill to limit executive power. Meanwhile, a federal judge could hold the president in contempt, leading to fines or other legal actions. And then there's the big one. Defying a court order could be seen as a violation of constitutional duties or an abuse of power. Congress could initiate impeachment proceedings under the high crimes and misdemeanors standard. When the House votes, and if it passes, the Senate conducts a trial to decide on removal. If the defiance continues, the matter gets put before the Supreme Court. They have the final say on constitutional disputes. A president defying the Supreme Court would be an unprecedented showdown. Oh, and let's not forget about the fact that a sitting president is generally protected from prosecution. Defying a court order could result in criminal charges once out of office. Public and political backlash could be swift and severe. A president refusing to comply with a court order could face massive public outcry, political consequences, and a significant loss of credibility. The Supreme Court, Congress, and the electorate would all pressure the president to comply. We've seen historical precedents too. Andrew Jackson defied the Supreme Court in 1832, famously saying, "John Marshall has made his decision, now let him enforce it." Fast forward to 1974, and Richard Nixon initially resisted turning over White House tapes, but eventually complied after a Supreme Court ruling. And more recently, Barack Obama's administration initially resisted certain judicial rulings on immigration, but eventually complied. In conclusion, if a president defies a federal judge's order, it sets off a chain reaction of legal battles, congressional actions, possible impeachment, and in extreme cases, a constitutional crisis. The judiciary and Congress, along with political pressure, are the main checks to enforce compliance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into political scenarios. See you next time.